Alright guys, so here is a tour of the front yard. That's where most of the cut flowers come from. Lots of fall stuff got done here today, so I wanted to give you guys an update because I haven't written a lot because I've been busy out here. So here is a dahlia, an optical illusion dahlia getting ready to pop. This year I think I'm going to provide it some frost coverage because that's my first dahlia and I have about 4 weeks before my first frost. I don't want them taken out. We'll see how that goes. And they were falling on the ground, so I picked them up and I tied them. So instead of growing like a vine on the ground, they're actually now growing up like they're supposed to. Here I have planted some ranunculus this year. The tubers, the little octopus looking thingies, and they should be blooming here for me around Christmas time, New Year's time. And here we have a Tropicana rose hybrid tea. Here I have a sentimental rose. This is a rose bush that produces a whole lot of white roses, a Floribunda variety. Something I was super excited about was these anemones. I had planted them last year and they decided they wanted to come back this year as well. And now we have some new stuff. I had acquired a phlox that is now producing some leaves. Super excited about that. The native yellow foxglove, the purple foxgloves. It seems like I've killed one, and there's the other one. Then I have hellebores in the back, and they seem to be sprouting pretty good, so I'm very excited about those, seeing those this winter. These are all winter blooming plants, that's why they're so small right now. Not so happy about the bird of paradise. I don't think they like it here very much. Going to be taking them out and placing them with something else. Here I have the white and red rose bush. Here is the purple fragrant rose bush. I wish the stems were longer because the flowers are super fragrant. I have some hollyhocks here. I have a orange rose. Not sure what's wrong with this rose bush. Doesn't produce a whole lot. I've fertilized it, done much, but it only gives me a few flowers. Here I have a canna, Tropicana, that wants to produce offspring already, even though it's so little. Look at this. And right there.